This is what we are going to paint. Talehia, Miranda, and me. Painting whilst hanging out during Corona.
And drinking alcohol.
Quarantine teens.
Quarantine.
Use
a lot of yellow. Okay, we don't really have easels or anything.
That's why it's painting with a thing at home.
Yellow.
A lot goes a long way. You're my memory, so I thought it was fine.
Okay. Ooh, oopsie doopsie. We're
Oopsie doopsie.
Okay, good.
It's COVID-19 for the class.
It's March 31st, 2020. I'm gonna do my flowers.
Already?
Gotta get the right shade of dimension. Apparently this is a speed contest.
I know.
Per Tracey's
sorry.
theory.
No.
No, I finish this first.
Oopsie doopsie. So there's happy accidents.
Not this is where things can go wrong.
Okay.
I already
Yes. You did not mess up. That's perfectly good. We need like step-by-step instructions that we're not getting from anyone. You know what? We're gonna look back on this someday and be like, that was the best ever.
What shape do flowers have?
I need a little bit of burnt umber ochre
Not
burnt sienna. I'm gonna be happy and I'm gonna hang it up because do you know what? No matter what, I'm gonna be like, ooh, I did it.
My flower is very abstract right now.
Yours looks so good.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god, I just looked up.
You guys are acting like it's good.
It is. What are you saying?
Tracy's
How did
really
you
good at
even
everything.
do that? No, what? Are you kidding? I'm like making it up as I go.
What do you?
Yeah, same.
And I'm
Look what
kind of
I've got
going,
here.
and I'm kind of going, you know what? How bad can it be? Happy little accidents of trees and stuff.
Okay.
Happy accident.
Oops. Dang it, dang, diddly dee.
All paint, all in.
Okay, so here's the story of Bob Ross for me.
You know
I
him?
think each one of us should have a Bob Ross story.
I do not. Oh.
So my Bob Ross story is, when I was a kid, I would turn on public television and Bob Ross would be on. And I'd be like, oh man, that weird guy's on again. It was like the knitting lady. And then, next thing I know, Miranda's like all into Bob Ross. And I'm like,
Deb.
I don't like it.
Okay, I need to stop. See, this part I like, but no.
Each one's different and special and wondrous. This is the picture that we all painted that we showed in the beginning. Yay! Look at us!
Yay! Follow, subscribe, like below.
Woohoo!
I already did.
Do something fun and creative and use your time valuably. Oh my god.
Mama.
I didn't want her painting to get you.
Don't get upset over spilled milk.
Yes.